Hey everyone, I've got the new Dino Hybrid Velociraptor. This is the new color and it's electronic. Now first of all, when I got this, it had this weird little cardboard thing holding the tail. Let's get that off. Okay, so here is the packaging. It's got the nice logo and the T-Rex right here, and it's got the newer like DNA type of design here. Dino Hybrid. This is for ages 4+. Growling action, and it's got this little light also. Let's see, on the back, chomping jaws, and let's see, Velociraptor, hybrid dinos battle for survival. Okay, we got a picture right there. Poses require hand support. It's an authentic Jurassic World merchandise, and there is some information here at the bottom. It's got some information about where it was made, stuff like that. At the bottom here is a barcode and some more information about where it was made and what it includes. Also look for the big green T-Rex with the spikes, which I already have a video of, and coming out later this year is the big spiky Indominus Rex and the Ankylosaurus and some other ones that are not shown here. Let's see on that side, it's got 2 batteries included. Alright, let's get this open. Let's see. There is some tape right here. And some tape right here. Okay, we have the instructions. There's the artwork. Charlie. Okay. Attack action. To replace the batteries. Some other stuff right here. Alright, so I didn't know this was supposed to be Charlie. I thought it was just a regular Velociraptor with no name. Okay, on the back, let's see, we have some of these paper twist ties, which I kind of like. They're pretty easy to take out, like so. Alright, let's take a look at the Velociraptor Charlie. Alright, this arm is, it moves easily, about that much, and let's see if it moves anymore. Okay, if you push it harder, it's pushing against the body, and it goes all the way around. So it's really loose for this much, and then you can make it go all the way around if you push harder. Okay, this arm, it's kind of loose, but this leg is in the way. Oh, he's growling, or she. Charlie's a girl, right? See, here's the mouth, and spring-loaded. See, we have some screws on this side of the body, just a couple, well, 3, and there are no screws on this side. Okay, this leg does not, oh, here, there we go. Okay, this leg moves, almost all the way around. Tail moves up and down, and Charlie growls when you do that. Or when you let it go. So you can hold it down and there is no noise. But you let it go and there's a little growl. Okay, this leg, let's see. Stuck. There we go, it's loose now. This leg can go all the way around. It has the claws on both feet. Okay, let's take a look at this dino damage. Alright, so there are 2 sounds, and you can do as much as you want, and every time you hit the button it cancels out whichever sound is playing and it plays the sound again. very nice stripes on this hybrid dinosaur. I'm not quite sure what is a hybrid of, but it looks like, let's see, is it going to stand up by itself? Okay, to me it looks like the hybrid Velociraptor right here, the level 40 in the Jurassic World the game on cell phones. It's got the same, it doesn't have the spikes and stuff, but it's the same coloring. It's very cool. That's why I like this a lot. Alright, let's see. Inside the mouth is pink on the top and bottom. And here is where the batteries go. You're going to need a screwdriver if you want to change them. Also, there's a DNA type of pattern along the bottom of the dinosaur. Both sides. And there is some information right here. Hasbro and a number. And there's speaker holes right here. They're pretty nicely hidden. I didn't see them for a while when I was playing with this toy. Okay, to show you a size comparison, this is the $10 Velociraptor size, and they seem to be about the same size as that. Yeah, pretty much the same, but it is bigger than this size. This is the Owen motorcycle size. If you can see, it's a lot bigger than that size. So if you want more Raptors to put this with, you should get the ones that are this size. Oops. Because it's a much better scale. Alright, I think I did everything. Oh wait, here's the logo. If you want to see the Jurassic World logo, it's official product. Alright, so I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed to see when I put out new videos, and check out my older videos. I've got lots of other dinosaur videos and cool stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye!